We announced today the results of the Onelogix Group Limited, a company listed on the Altex. In fact, been listed since May of 2004. Roughly 231 million shares in issue, trading right now at a market cap just in excess of 500 million rand. The results are for the period, our 6-month period ending November 2012. The highlights of the results are that revenue is up 15%, earnings per share up 18%, headline earnings per share from continuing operations are up 13%, net tangible asset value up 19%, a dividend of 4.5 cents per share. We announced the acquisition, although they were post the interim period, finalised in December, of United Bulk and Drive Report, and we also gave notification of our intention to move from Altex onto the main board. Onelogix is made up of 3 segments, the largest of which is specialised transport. When we're very happy that all of those businesses performed quite rigorously during this period. VDS, the biggest business in the group, once again a mature business where typically cost management is a major concern. It's a very, very strong business, has done particularly well. CVDS gaining market share constantly. In fact, had to gear up for a contract where the revenue is not shown in this year's results, but the cost of gearing up is in fact. So that's a business we're very delighted with. Onelogix Projects, a business we started within the group, also making very, very good market share gains, together with a business closely allied to it called RFB Logistics. So that is the biggest portion of our business, and that bigger portion performed particularly well. The retail component is Postnet, and Postnet is a fine business to have in the group. It has a good margin, it has royalty income, for all practical purposes is annuity income, 258 stores, once again performed particularly well during this period, also with opportunities to grow as we go forward. One of the businesses that didn't do well is in the last segment, which we call Other. It was Atlas Panel Beaters. It has its own challenges, which thankfully we've now got on top of, and going forward I'm quite comfortable to say that that business will be a positive contributor of much more note than what it was during this last 6-month period.